Alexa, bird is a word. Bird is a word. Give me a big kiss. Give me a big kiss. Hey, you. You want some food? You want some breakfast water? You want some apple? Okay, ready? Ray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pumpkin. Grapefruit. Apple. Broccoli. College. Carrots. Pumpkin. Grapefruit. Okay, ready? Give me a big kiss. Give me a big kiss. So growl. Don't growly. Okay, Ray. Happy banana. Is college. Pumpkin. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Grape. Apple. Banana. Pumpkin. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we want to get through. Yabba dabba. Yummy. Get through. Yabba dabba dabba doo. Who's that? Who's that? How you doing? Red pumpkin. Give me a cuddle. Can I have a cuddle? How you doing? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look, girlfriend. You want some food? You want some broccoli, carrots. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Hello, girlfriend. Girlfriend. Boink, boink, boink. Alexa, alright, ready? 1, 2. Happy birthday.
This might answer your question. 1, 2. Buckle My Shoe is a popular English language nursery rhyme and counting out rhyme of which there are early occurrences in the US and UK.
Give me a kiss. Don't growl. Don't growl. You want some food?